Welcome to the public information meeting for the US 69 bridge replacement in Wright County. During the meeting, we will explain what will happen during the project and how it will affect property owners and those who use the highway. We will also fill you in on the expected construction schedule. Plus, you will find out how you can give us your questions and comments on the project. Work for this project will take place on US 69 in the city of Belmont in Wright County at the Iowa River Bridge. During this project, a contractor will remove and replace the existing bridge over the Iowa River. The new bridge will be a little bit longer to improve drainage. The bridge approaches will also be reconstructed, as well as replacing the existing guardrail. You can get a more detailed look at this display by returning to the project meeting webpage. During construction, US 69 will remain open to traffic. A single 12-foot wide lane will be open throughout construction, controlled by a temporary traffic signal. Permanent acquisitions are anticipated in the vicinity of the project. Temporary easements will not be required. Here's what to expect as the project moves forward. The project is scheduled for letting in the fall of 2027, with construction starting in the spring of 2028. It's expected to be completed in the fall of 2028 at an estimated cost of just over $5 million. We encourage your questions and comments on this project. The best way to get a hold of us is through the online link shown here. Questions and comments through email, phone calls, and in writing are also acceptable. All comments should be in by November 4th. Thank you for taking the time to take part in this online public meeting.